Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th Girls High School, Kalamabad. Dear students, in the previous video, we studied the two kingdom system of classification given by the Whittaker. No, sorry, given by the Carolus Linnaeus. Two kingdom system of classification was given by Carolus Linnaeus in 1758, and in two kingdom system of classification we have the only plant kingdom and animal kingdom. The plant kingdom involves all the plants and animal kingdom involves all the animals. So after discovery of the plant kingdom and animal kingdom by Carolus Linnaeus, another zoologist, that is E.H. Haeckel, it raises a third kingdom that we called as the kingdom Protista for unicellular organisms. Then after Robert H. Whittaker proposed fourth kingdom Monera for the bacteria, and another one is the kingdom Fungi, which like chlorophyll and involves the eukaryotic organisms. So nowadays it is seen that there are five kingdom system of classification proposed by the Whittaker in 1958, and these five kingdom system of classification is the first kingdom is kingdom Monera. This kingdom Monera, it involves prokaryotic bacteria. Prokaryotic means those organisms which have not well developed cell organelles, which lack well developed cell organelles. So kingdom Monera involves these prokaryotic bacteria and blue-green algae. Second is the kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista involves unicellular. Unicellular means those organisms which are made up of one cell. Eukaryotic organisms means those organisms which possess a eukaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell is that cell which have well developed cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and others. So Protista, it involves protozoa, fungi, and algae are included in this kingdom Protista. Next kingdom is kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae involves multicellular, green plants, and advanced algae. Multicellular means which are made up of many cells. So kingdom Plantae involves all the multicellular green plants. Kingdom Fungi, multinucleate higher fungi. Kingdom Fungi involves fungi. These are a separate kingdom. And another kingdom is kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia involves multicellular animals. All multicellular animals are included in kingdom Animalia. So, dear students, the five kingdom system of classification, you have to first write the name of these kingdoms. First one you have to remember is the kingdom Monera, which involves prokaryotic bacteria and blue-green algae. Second is kingdom Protista. It includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms like protozoa, fungi, and algae. Third one is kingdom Plantae. It includes multicellular green plants and advanced algae. Fourth one is kingdom Fungi. It includes multinucleate higher fungi. Kingdom Animalia, it includes multicellular animals. You see here, this is the kingdom Monera. It involves prokaryotic bacteria. Protista, it involves unicellular eukaryotes. There is a fungi. Fungi, it also involves, it includes these all fungi, multicellular higher nucleated fungi. And plants, it includes plants having which possess the photosynthesis. And the kingdom Animalia, it includes the animals. So, dear students, it is the Whitaker who has proposed this system of classification, and in this system there are three levels of organizations. First one is prokaryotic versus eukaryotic structure of cell. Second is unicellular versus multicellular or multinucleated organism. The third, three different modes of nutrition: photosynthesis in plants, absorption in fungi, and ingestion in animals. So, modern system of five kingdom classification. Now we have to study these kingdoms in detail one by one. So the first uh, kingdom that we have to study is the kingdom Monera. As you know, that kingdom Monera, it involves prokaryotes, and prokaryotes are those which lack the basic cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, etc. And the kingdom Prokaryote, it is divided into two subkingdoms. One is Archaebacteria or Archae. Second is Eubacteria or simply bacteria. One of the two subkingdoms, the Archaebacteria, are more ancient. Archaebacteria is more ancient than bacteria. So first one among them is the Archaebacteria. The Archaebacteria are autotrophs, means they produce their own food. Only a few, however, photosynthesis. So some of these Archaebacteria are photosynthetic in nature. They prepare their own food. They are autotrophs. Archaebacteria derive the energy they use for their metabolic activities from the oxidation of chemical energy sources such as the reduced gases, ammonia, methane, or hydrogen sulfide. In the presence of one of these chemicals, the archaebacteria can manufacture their own amino acids and proteins. So archaebacteria may use these chemicals, they use these compounds to obtain their energy, to manufacture their own amino acids and proteins. The environments where these chemical energy sources are found are often in harsh or forbidding to most kind of the organisms. Archaebacteria are divided into three groups. One is the methogens, that are those organisms which produce the methane gas. These are called as the methogens. Thermoacidophils, they are those which are extremely hot and acidic environments, which live in extremely hot. Thermo means hot, acidophilus means acidic environments such as hot springs. And these thermoacidophilus, they use hydrogen sulfide as their energy source. Third one is halophilus. They are these archaebacteria which live in very salt environments such as great salt lakes and Dead Sea. These their environments are extremely basic, not acidic. So dear students, so far as the kingdom Monera is concerned, it has two subkingdoms. One is Archaebacteria or ancient bacteria. Second is Eubacteria or bacteria. So far as the Archaebacteria are concerned, some of these Archaebacteria are autotrophs. They made their own food. Most of these Archaebacteria, they derive their energy from the different chemicals like ammonia, methane, and hydrogen sulfide. These archaebacteria have on three groups. One is called as the methogens. Those archaebacteria which produce the methanogen gas. They are found in the swamps and marshy areas in which all the oxygen has been consumed by other organisms. So the methane smell characteristics of swamps and marshy produce characteristics of these methogens. Last one is the second one is the thermoacidophilus. These archaebacteria, they live in extremely hot and acidic environments. Third one is halophilus. These are those archaebacteria which live in very salty environments such as Dead Sea and Great Salt Lake. Second part of the kingdom Monera is the eubacteria, and we will study the eubacteria in next video. So dear students, stay connected, stay home, stay safe, and try to read these paragraphs from your own textbook. So dear students, have a good day.